Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm gonna be honest. This soap brings me memories. It puts me into a nostalgic feeling because this is the soap that whenever some of my family would visit to the States and they come back to my country with one of these soaps, you feel like you were in New York. I'm gonna be honest. This is the Irish Spring soap, and this is the one that I'm currently using right now, and it just smells great. It gives you this sensation of feeling of being just clean and easy to go. So whenever I'm going with this fragrance, it just smells great. It smells like this first day I smelled this when I was just a kid. And I just use this often just to remind of just those good days. My mom will come back from visits from the States. She will bring this soap and everybody in my house would use it carefully for it not to be over. This smells great. It gives you this sensation that you're in a clean state and that you're ready to go anywhere, and people are gonna say like, you smell like New York, right? Or the States, any part of it. Well, so this is a great sensation. Soap is gonna do wonders. It's gonna feel great on your skin. It's not gonna dry you off, and that just works great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.